First five for both teams of the center court, please. First five for Silog ng Luminaker. Okay, let's go, boys. It's getting late. Let's go, it's getting late. First five for Luminaker and Silog at the center court, please. First five for Silog, number 15, Kuya. 0, Gautam. Number 11, it's on number 19, Daming. Number 11, Manalili. For Luminaker, number 33, Mendoza. Number 0, Cabral. Number 7, Pam. Number 12, Macintosh. And number 10. Number 10, Taylor. And number 0, Kenneth Cabral. For Silog, Daming 19, Chatsalios. Number 13. Okay. Manalili, number 11. And Daming, Gautam, 0. Okay, let's proceed to our third game. Referees for tonight, once again, it's Stuart and Jared. First possession belongs to Luminaker. Regia for Trey, Norbert, rebound, and set with Manalili. Chatsalios to Gautam. Inside pass is stolen by Tam. By Pan. Taylor, denied by Manalili. Rebound, Gautam. Kuya, sees an opening. Layup now with Rebound, Chatsalios. Mark. Pass to Manalili. To Daming. Daming to Gautam. Corner 3. Too strong. Hand with the ball. Cabral to Mendoza. Mendoza driving baseline. Mendoza from right to the basket for the score. Luminaker strikes first. Kuya to Gautam. Gautam to the challenge, back to Gautam. Gautam drives, water short, rebound Mendoza. Taylor, push Ray, no good, Kuya, secures the board. Great hands by Cabral. Stolen by Kenneth Cabral. Bam, with a Euro, left in the layup is good for Joseph Brown. 4-0 in favor of Luminaker. Daming fake. Shot is short. Unlucky for Daming. Daming. Fade away Jay. Money for Daming. He's up. For the miss. Veteran move for Daming. Mendoza. To Cabral. Taylor with the ball. Pass to Pam. Mendoza corner 3. Too strong. Rebound. Manalili. What's the call, ref? Foul is on number 0. Kenneth Cabral. First personal foul, first team foul. Gautam with the ball. Kuya to the challenge. Pass deflected. Great hands again by Cabral. Cabral to Malaysia. Let it fly from deep, overshoot. What's the call, ref? Last touch on Silog. So possession will remain Luminaker. Taylor, minute plus to foul. Back to Taylor for 3. No good. Rebound, ends up with Gautam. Gautam drives, drops it up to Kuya. Foul on the floor before the shot. Foul is on number 0. Kenneth Cabral, that's 2 on Kenneth. Second personal foul on 17 foul. Ivan, pass intercepted, recovered by Taylor, pass it to Mendoza. Mendoza, hounded by Chachalios, to Reyes. Reyes sees an opening, great hands by Kami, deflected, blocking the shot of Reyes. Substitution rep, sub-rep. Reyes for Kamigi. 13 on the shot clock for Lumina. Kamigi to Fam, Sim. Drops it out to Ryan. Ryan to Mendoza. 8 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. Cabral. Turnaround Jay. No good. Rebound Chachalios. Kuya. Hounded by Kenneth. Kuya drives. Kuya no good in the shot. Rebound Kamigi. Kamigi pushing up the pace. Layup is good for Kamigi, coast to coast for Ryan. Lumina Care up by 4. Robin. Shot higher to floater, uses the glass. Still Robin jumps out. The lead is 2 for Lumina Care. Let it fly from deep, no good, rebound Kuya. Kuya to Chachalios, spins, back to Kuya, jumper, no good. Rebound Mendoza. Mendoza looking for a teammate. Kenneth to Ryan, to nakating Fam. Fam sees an opening. He's fouled on the floor. Foul is on number 19, Asher Dani. First personal foul, first team foul. So, Fam will be given 2 free throws for Lumina Care. Chance for Lumina Care to add to the 2-point lead. First free throw is good for Fam. Two out of 2 for Joseph Town. Steady on the table, right? Mark to Ivan. Robin corner 3 short. Rebound secured by Carlo Mendoza. Ryan to Fam, steam. Rebound by Chachalios. Chachalios bounce pass to Gautam. Drops it up to Dami. Shot. Number put back by Chachalios. Number. Once again, number rebound Gautam. Stepping out of bounds for Gautam. Turnover for Silo. Lumina Care up by 4. Turn around Jay. Money for Joseph Fan. The one-legged stadium jumper for Joseph Fan. And 4 in favor of Lumina Care. Chachalios for 3. Yes, sir! Cutting the lead to 3 for Sino. Taylor to Ryan, turnaround Jay, overshoots. Mendoza kept it alive for Lumina Care. Taylor top of the head, Gray. Cleaning out. Rebound Chachalios. Chachalios, stopping back, short, rebound, Gautam. Robin, screen by Chachalios. Drops it up to Manalini. Blocked from behind from Ryan. Rebound Fam. To the sleeping Mendoza with numbers. That's denied as well. Turnover stolen by Taylor. Cabral. Denied by Gautam. Rebound Kuya. That's a play for Robin Gautam. Kuya. Kuya fakes to Gautam. Gautam straight right to Sanders. Illegal screen is called by our referee on Silog. Number 13, Satalios. First personal foul and second team. Silog. Mendoza to Taylor. Taylor driving baseline, jumper short. Rebound Gautam. Gautam comes it up to Kuya. Uses the window for two. And the lead is set down to 3. Last 46 seconds. Mendoza still rebound to Taylor. 12 on the shot clock. Ryan wants the triple. Overshoot. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 10. Manalili. Manalili, first personal foul. Third team foul. One second, 2 second differential. Last 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Then of the heat short. That's the end of the first quarter. 12-9 is the score in favor of Luminaquer.
Basketball action. This is where ballers take the winning position online. Because we are the most basketball league is back. Bringing you highlights for the Luminaquer Champions 2026. And the team, one goal. We are rise double. Playing the crowd. This championship. The battle begins now. Let's take a big shot to the Silver Raiders. Luminaquer to be the major sponsor of this season's NFL tournament. Luminaquer, deliver compassionate support and personalized campaign which wants to live brighter while meeting humans. Helping versus a victory.
Okay, back to the ball game. Luminaquer heading to the second quarter, leading by 3. This is week 2, third game between Luminaquer and Silog. Second quarter possession belongs to Silog. Satalios for 3, no good. Rebound. Ends up with Mendoza. Regia. Foul on Regia by Silog, number 0, Gautam. First personal foul, first team foul. Regia McIntosh will go to the line for 2 free throws. First free throw is good for Regia McIntosh. One out of 2 for Regia. Since Satalios steps on the line, so Luminaquer retains possession. Kamigi, no look pass to Mendoza. Lead is 6 for Luminaquer. Gautam sees an opening, drops it off to Satalios. Stepping out of bounds. Turnover again for Silog. Regia to Taylor. point lead for Lumina Care. Castano shot it over, rebound, Mendoza. Mendoza in trouble. Mendoza under the rest. Jump ball possession level points to Lumina Care. Timeout, Lumina Care. Lumina Care, 12 for ceasefire, 7 minutes and 35 left in the second quarter.
This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because we are North. The North Basketball League is bringing you to support the Lumina Care Champion Series 2026. Team, one goal, green guys, double, find the crowd, season's championship series. The battle begins. Essentially, let's keep it to the season's championship series. Lumina Care starts with a major stakes in this season's NBL tournament.
Okay, back to the ball game. Sideline throwing for Lumina Care. Lazy pass by Taylor, stolen by McLovin. Mashlami drives, covered, offensive rebound by Luzon. Denied by Mendoza. Offensive rebound by Luzon. Kuya with the ball. Kuya with the run for Sabina. Kuya. Foul before the shot clock. Foul before the shot clock. Foul before the shot clock. What's the call, ref? Point is good according to our referees. Point is good. Foul is on Lumina Care. What number, ref? Foul is on. Who's foul, ref? Number 3. Thank you, dog. Foul is on Ryan Kamini. First personal foul. First team foul. So Kuya will shoot a bonus free throw. Kuya completes the end one for Silog. Cutting the lead to 6 for Silog. Silog rallying in the second quarter. Taylor, top of the play. Tatanias secures the board. Forward pass to Mashlami. Mashlami! Completion of and Slaya is good. Great pass by Tatanias to Mashlami. And the lead is down to 4. Taylor to Mendoza, baseline jumper, short. Tatalios secures the board for Silog. Tatalios to Kuya. Kuya to Tatalios. Reverse layup. Unlucky for Tatalios. McIntosh with the ball. McIntosh went on with Luzon. Taylor. Foul on the floor before the shot. So foul, blocking foul on Silog. Number 11. Jeremy Luzon, first personal foul, second team foul. Baseline inbound for Lumina Care. McIntosh let it fly. 14 rebound Tatalios. Tatalios intercepted by Mendoza. Slap it play. For Silog, Mendoza drives. Overshoots. Rebound secured by Tatalios. Tatalios to Kuya. Kuya trying to win from Taylor. No good. Rebound into Luzon. Luzon. Running jumper, no good. Rebound Taylor. Still Ravia. Next up left. Ravia against Mashlavi. Coast to coast for the layup for Ravia McIntosh. The lead is 6 for Lumina Care. Tatalios. Looking for a two to Pestano. To Mark. Pestano, pass intercepted by Taylor. Taylor, forward pass. Deflected by Kuya. Possession stays with substitution rep. Possession stays with Lumina Care. for Sovigan and Mendoza for Farm and Cabral for Lumina. Kamigi, the rebound for Lumina. To Taylor, quick trigger. Another rebound. To Talia. Talia to Sovigan. Sorry, it's Lusong. Lusong to Maslawi. Sorry for that. Maslawi for EC2. Kamigi. Hands in the face shot for good rebound to Talia. Lusong with the ball. Lusong intercepted from behind from Taylor. Cabral, wild shot, he gets fouled. Foul is on number 13. Tatalio, second personal foul, third team foul. Veteran move for Tatalio is stopping the play, but Cabral will shoot two free throws because it's a shooting foul. First free throw is good for Kenneth Cabral. Cheering from the sideline is his supportive brother coming up a win. 1 out of 2 for Cabral. Put that shot on the rebound to Cabral. He gets fouled. He's going to get on the line for 2. What a play. Losing the player. Foul is on number 12. Pestano, Sabret. Jeff Pestano, first personal foul, 1 for penalty. Manalili for Lusong. Josh travels the charity strikes again for 2 free throws. Free throw is good for Josh Cabral. A minute and 8 remaining in the first half. 1 out of 2 for Josh, rebound Tatalio. Maslawi sees an opening. Layup for good. Rebound. Ends up with Maslawi to Kuya. Screen by Manalili. Kuya drives. Kuya scores. Injury. Just an injury on the floor. Substitution left. Cabral for Earl Mosquito. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Ryan to Arabia. 10 to shot clock. Arabia to Taylor. Taylor slips. One out of Pestano. To Kuya to beat the passer. Unlucky. Unlucky for Salong. Sorry, miss for Kuya. Official score. $22 for Lumina Player and 18 for Silog. 22-18 is the score. Okay, let's proceed to the second half of our ball game. Third quarter possession belongs to Silog. Silog is trailing by 4, 20-18. Silog coming of a win from the opening game. Last week also with Lumina Care. So both teams with 1 series record. Kuya with the ball. Kuya one-on-one. Kuya drives. No good. There's a foul on the floor. Foul on Lumina Care, number 2. Earl Mosquito, first personal foul. Baseline inbound for Silog. Chachalos to Gautam. Gautam, she's an opening. That's it up to Manalili. Overshoot. Rebound and Sapin. Chachalos. Chachalos takes. Stepping out of bounds. Turnover. Missed opportunity for Silog. Lead 6 for Lumina Care. Kuya with the ball. Kuya for 3 is good. Moving triple for Angela Kuya. And the lead is cut down to 3 by Silog. Lumina by 3. Ravia to Taylor. Taylor gives it up to Ryan. Wide open 3. Too strong, rebound by Kuya. Kuya to Catalias. Back to Kuya. Kuya to Catalias. What a feed by Kuya to Catalias. 1 point game. Next up. Here comes Silog. Bam! Fade away, Jay. One-legged jumper to stop the bleeding for their white shirts. Lead is back to 3. Kuya looking for a mismatch for 3. Yes, sir! Back-to-back 3 for Angelo Kuya. And by that triple, they're tied at 23. This is apiece. One drive, no good. Rebound down to Taylor. Leading jumper, no good. Rebound, Ryan. Ryan Crowder, no good. Rebound, down. Taylor, pass. Too strong, substitution left, sub. Plenty of opportunity for Lumina Care, but they couldn't convert. Kenneth Cabral checks in for Mosquito. Salios for 3, no good. Rebound by Ali. Kuya, corner 3, in and out. Almost in for Kuya. Possession will remain with Silog. Mashlawi for 3, short. Rebound, Cabral. Pass intercepted by Salios. Great hands by Salios. Gautam, ball recovered by Mashlawi. Kuya, counter, short, rebound, ends up to Cabral. Forward pass to Bam for the transition area. 2-point lead by Liverpool. What a game, great battle between these two dominant teams. Kuya asking for a screen. Screen by Manalili to Gautam. Gautam backs it up to the wrong guy. Stolen by Kamigi. Kamigi, bounce pass. Intercepted by Gautam. Mashlawi loses the ball. Stolen by Bam. Bam spins. Shot is good for Joseph Bam. He won't be denied. 4-point lead by Lumina Care. Kuya gives it up to Gautam. Gautam asking for a screen, 4 seconds to shoot. Gautam, 2 seconds to shoot. Shot block by a laser communication. Substitution rep. Turnover for Silog. Mendoza for Macintosh. Subrep. Dami for Mashlami. 4 minutes and 30 seconds in the third quarter. Lumina here, leading by 4. This is the third game of our week 2. Cabral to Taylor. Taylor, blocking foul on the floor. Foul is on number 0, Gautam. Second personal foul, first team foul on Silog. Baseline throw-in for Lumina here. Foul, elbow jumper. This time no good. Going for the rebound is Tatalios. Tatalios, one-on-one Estilo. Now against Kamigin. Tatalios to Gautam. Swing by Manalili. Drops it off to Tatalios. Loses the handle. Stolen to Taylor. Mendoza sees an opening. Guarded by Kuya. Fade away, very short. Rebound Kuya. Silog down by 4. Kuya, one-on-one against Cabral. Swing by Manalili. Step back 3. No good. Rebound Mendoza. Stolen by Manalili. Now comes from right to the basket. Short on the layup. Rebound Mendoza. Foul is on number 10, Manalili. Second personal foul, second team foul. Taylor. To Kenneth, wide open play. Pulling out. Rebound Manalili. Unlucky for Kenneth. Almost went in with that shot. Gautam. Gautam running the play for Silog. 8 seconds to shoot. Gautam slips and stolen by Mendoza. Mendoza goes to post. And the lead is now 6 for Lumina Care. Tatalios slowing things around for Silog. Kuya to Tatalios to Gautam. Gautam spins, drops it up to Dami. Shot, no good. Rebound Mendoza. Mendoza to Taylor. Taylor. Running jumper and money for Taylor. A minute and 40 seconds left in the third quarter. The lead is now 8 for Lumina Care. Gautam to Tatalios. Tatalios for the great bang! Right. Taylor to Mendoza. Back to Taylor. Taylor with the answer. Yes, sir! Taylor answers stand with his 3 points of his own. Tatalios to Gautam. Gautam to Darling. Short stab. In and out. Last touch on Lumina Care. Possession remains with Silog. 14 on the shot clock. Tatalios to Dami. What a find. But the defense nothing. Stepping out of bounds for Silog. So possession is with Silog. 14 on the shot clock. 14 on the shot clock. Force 5 second differential with 6 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. Shot acceleration. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score 37 for Lumilakir and 31 for Silong. Back to the ball game. This is the last and final quarter of our third game between Luminacare and Silong. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Luminacare. Taylor drops it off to Ibas. Turns the ball over. Too strong on the handle. Turnover for Luminacare. Kuya drops it up to the Salyos to Luzon. Fire to closer, no good. Stepping out of bounds for Silong. 37-31 is the score in favor of Luminacare. Gautam with the ball. Gautam step back three, short. Luminacare up by 6. Ibas running the point for Luminacare. Pass intercepted by Gautam. Great hands by Robin. Luzon. Slip and stolen by Basorin. Rolling over by Gautam. Rebound Taylor of the miss by Tatsalios. Cabral to Pam. Short on the layup. Last touch on Silong. And Luminacare retains possession. Pam with the cutting Ibas. Floater short. Tatsalios secure the ball. Gautam sees an opening, short on the layup, rebound Mendoza. Mendoza stopping bombs for 3, bang! .3 for Luminacare. Tatsalios sees an opening, drops it out. To Luzon, substitution hit. Pass is too long, intended for Luzon. Substitution rep. Manalili for Maslawi. 7 minutes and 45 in our last quarter. Luminacare up by 9. Carlo Mendoza recovers the ball. Bounce pass too low. Intended for foul. Turnover for Luminacare. Kuya surveying the floor. One-on-one against Cabral. Highlighting floater, no good rebound. Cabral to Mendoza. Sees an opening for the layup. Now double-digit lead now for Luminacare. Kuya rounded by Cabral. Looking for a teammate. To Luzon. Tatsalios. Pass to Maslawi. Mashlawi, Lauder, unlucky. Taps by the challenge to Kuya for three, short. Rebound Taylor. Taylor to the second Cabral, overshoots. Unlucky rebound, Mashlawi. Gautam. Lauder, no good. Rebound foul. Cabral against Mashlawi. Slowing things around for Lumina King. Screen by foul to Taylor. Taylor fires from deep, in and out. Long rebound by Gautam. 6 minutes and 5 seconds in the final quarter. Luso for three. Yes, sir! Turning Luso with a booming triple. Next subject. The lead is 8. 5 minutes and 44. Cabral sees an opening. Kicks it out to Ibas. Ibas will answer. Overshoots. Rebound Taylor. Put back short. Rebound. Ends up with Ibas. Ibas Lauder. Still no good. Rebound Gautam. Gautam. Over pass to the student Mashlawi. Mashlawi. Transition layup. And the lead is cut down to 6. Mendoza. Elbow jumper. Now good. Rebound Kuya. Kuya slips. Slipped by Taylor, but there's a foul. Foul on the floor in number 10. Taylor. Substitution goal. First personal foul on Taylor. First team foul. Dami checks in for Gautam. Ibas checks out for Kamigi. Kuya shoot 2 free throws for Silo. First one is short for Kuya. It's still a 6-point lead for Lumina King. 4 minutes and 25 in the last quarter. 1 out of 2 for Angelo Kuya. Mendoza, one shot, no good. Rebound ends up with Billy. Put back, sorry, Kamigi, put back, no good. Taylor, jumper, no good. Kuya secures the board for Silog. Kuya drives, he gets fouled. Oh, sorry, it's a turnover. Turnover, double elimination to Kuya. Kamigi to foul. Mendoza, quick trigger, no good. Rebound, Tatsalios to Mashlawi. Mashlawi, strong drive to the basket. Unlucky, rebound by Taylor. Mendoza. Mendoza drives. Mendoza scores. 7-point lead by Lumina King. Kuya drops it off to Dami. Dami fakes, shot overshoots, rebound foul. Foul under the wrist. Mendoza forward pass to Taylor. Pass to Kamigi. Kamigi, turnaround Jay short. Tatsalios with a ball. 2 minutes and 47 left. Mashlawi at this round. Mashlawi. Tatsalios to Dami. Dami does it up to Mashlawi, to Kuya. Wide open three, no good. Last touch on Silog, substitution left. Manalili for Mashlawi, Gautam for Luso. Two minutes and 28 left. Kamigi to Taylor. Taylor, sabot na kay Trey. Bang! Double digit move now for Lumina King. Kuya driving baseline. Gautam, corner Trey, short, rebound. Manalili, put back is good for Kamigi. to Kamigin, short range layup, rebound Tatalias. Tatalias to Gautam. Bounce pass to Manalili inside for a layup. Warning to Silok for the lead of the game. The lead is down to 6. A minute and 44 in the final quarter. Ryan, under the wrist. Pass to Pham. Pham to Cabral. Cabral moves closer. Jumper, no good, rebound Kuya. Jamming with the ball. To Tatalios with number. To Gautam. Layup is good for Gautam. 4-point lead by Luminacare. Plenty of time left. Silog volleying in the final quarter. Mendoza leading jumper in and out. Unlucky rebound by Kuya. He gets fouled. Foul on Luminacare number 23. 33. Mendoza first personal foul. Second team foul. A minute and 4 seconds left in the final quarter. Kuya asking for a screen to Gautam. Gautam sees an opening. Over level rebound down. Kamigin. He gets fouled. He's going to the line. Foul is on number 10, Manalili. Third personal foul, first team foul. So Kamigin will shoot 2 free throws because it's a shooting foul. Chance for Luminacare to add to their 4-point lead. First free throw is wide right. No good in the first try. Second one is good for Ryan Kamigin. The lead is 5. Gautam to Tatalios. Tatalios to Gautam. Gautam corner 3 short rebound. Daming. Ball recovered by Kuya. Kuya for 3. In and out. Rebound Mendoza. Foul on the floor. Number 19. Asher Daming. Second personal foul, 17 fouls. Pham to Ryan. Shot clock is off. Unsportsmanlike foul is the call of the referee. Foul is on number 13. Tatalios. Third personal foul, third team foul. So 2 shots plus ball possession for Luminacare. Our last game, please be ready. Swiss Mortgages versus Rock 22. First free throw is good for Taylor. One more free throw will be given to Irvin. And then a ball possession for Luminacare. The last game for tonight, Route 22 Traveling Tours versus Swiss Mortgages. 2 out of 2 for Taylor in the free 7-point lead, 15 seconds left. Josh with the ball to Taylor. Foul on the floor on number 19, Daming. Third personal foul, warning for penalty. Last 8 seconds. Kenneth Cabral for 3. No good. Rebound by Daming. That's the end of our third game. Official score 15 for Luminacare and 43 for Silog. Luminacare prevails in the game, winning over Silog. That's the end of our third game. Last game for tonight, Swiss Mortgages versus Route 22 Traveling Tours.